Hello everyone, Miss Buffy here and back for another reaction video. And this time it's about Obscure Felix the Cat broadcast, which is created by Rodrigo Jogos. Well, apparently it's about the local TV station suffered an unexplained irregularity in spring 2003, which is 7 years before I was born. Well, eventually it's kind of the seven years before I was born, and it's entirely fictional. Yeah, it's entirely fictional, and none of them exist. So yeah, I mean this is gonna be scary, not gonna lie. So I'm warning you guys that this video might be very creepy to all of you. Even though Spooky Month is over, who asked? I'm gonna still watch scary videos anyways. So let's begin. Alright, let's see. Jeez, what happened to Felix? Alright. Well, this is not explained in the description though. Alright. Let's see how this goes. I mean, look at his face though. Look at his face. Look at his eyes, his face. What the? Okay.
Just a week's worth of groceries and some bus-wielding mook decides to mug me.
We
can have sloppy joes next week. At least our TV wasn't stolen.
The mischief rate has risen sharply in the wake of this looting frenzy.
You know, we've run into a lot of shady characters in our time, from Martians to mad professors, and we've defeated them all. I think it's...
Well, wait a second. Where did the audio go? Where did the audio go, man? Oh god, it's glitching. Where did Felix go? Wait, what? Okay, this is creepy me out. Oh god. Uh-oh. Felix, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh! His nipples are gone. What the heck? Okay, that's creeping me out a little bit, but I'm kind of okay with that. Okay. What's it? Alright.
Ah.
I mean, does anyone of you like Felix the Cat? Because I really love that character so much. He's silly.
Working my face, Four Eyes.
Don Skelly is your supervisor, isn't he? Well, we went to college together. Be a shame if he was dragged into all this.
I'm already on probation. You wouldn't do that, would you? You wouldn't do that, would you?
Hey, take a hike, sweetie, before you find that magic wand magically stuck up your nose.
My wand? My nose?
Ew,
I'll bet you don't even know Don Skelly. I'm getting to the bottom of this. I'll be back.
Yeah, we'll leave the light on for you. Hey, that was a good one. Thanks.
I have a bad feeling about
Well,
it.
there's our next victim. He looks like a sap.
No.
You can say that again. Let's work a number 6 on him. Number 6? What's that? That's a number 5 without the glue. Oh, yeah.
Don't do it! Oh boy, he's gonna do it anyway. How about this? Wait, he's making this fall?
Coffee. Where's my coffee?
What the fuck? Okay, that's unexpected. Alright.
What'd you
boy.
get? What the heck are you? I'm you. No. Oh, yes. I'm your clone. But how? The clone fairy. The clone fairy.
The clone fairy? Oh. The fairy's called the clone fairy.
And cats who need help with their daily trials. This is a gag, right? That's a mask. It's Peking Duck, isn't it? All right, you evil crackpot. Enough of the trick-or-treating. Let's go.
Felix, what are you doing? Felix? What the fuck? Hey, yo! is this? No. No, what the hell? That face. That face! Oh! Ew! Ew! Felix! What have you done? Oh no! Oh no! What have you done? Oh boy! Oh no! Holy shit! I think it's like you being alive. Don't tell me he's good. Don't tell me he's good. Oh shit! Oh! That must be painful. This is painful, isn't it? Oh my god! Oh no! What the hell? No! I gotta pause it right there. This is unexpected. Wow! Wow! I didn't know that. I didn't know that Felix just killed his own clone. Holy cow! Engineers. Oh my god! What the hell? Oh boy. What's going to happen next? Huh? Well, what the? Well, what the? Huh? Okay, back over there. Let's see what's going to happen next. After Felix is finished. Oh boy. He's still doing it. He's still doing it. He's still torturing his clone. What the fuck? Oh god. Felix face covered with blood. Alright. This is weird. This is weird as fuck. Alright. So what the? Okay, this is beyond weird. Oh boy, this is
Now you can be part of the world race. Choose from 35 tricked out cars, and if you buy all 35 cars, you can send away to get the world race ultimate track set free. Plus shipping and handling by mail while supplies last. Batteries not included. See package for details.
Go faster! Gonna pass ya!
Okay.
Het.
What the?
Het.
Wait. Okay, this is the end of the video. So, I did not expect Felix to kill his own clone. Like, wow! Just wow! I mean, the editing of the video is really very good. I kind of like it so far. So, anyways. Hang on. I guess that this is the end of the video, so, thanks for watching, everyone.